Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Euclid for Kids. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latusek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of Euclid for Kids is 8 out of 10, and the object is to fit all three parts inside the frame. And if you try to fit them now, it seems like impossible. There is no way at the first glance that you can fit all three parts inside, since all the time when you try to put, for example, the first two small pieces and next you're gonna try to fit the biggest piece, still it is not enough space to fit all of them inside. The Euclid for Kids is made of three different kinds of wood: paduk, merbau and acacia. And it is a smaller version of original Euclid puzzle, which had 7 pieces and you had to fit all of them inside. This has only 3 parts. That's probably why this puzzle has its name Euclid for Kids, since it looks much easier, but still it's gonna be quite a challenge to fit all 3 parts inside. If you like Euclid for Kids and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So there are 3 parts, as I told you, and we will start with these 2 parts. If you can see, this part is a little bit longer on this side and a little bit shorter on this side. And this part is also a little bit longer on this side and a little bit shorter on this side. So we will fit this part first and put it on the right side, and now move it up and like this, hold it this way, and then fit this part inside, put it down, and now try to put it like this, so it will go under the piece that I have in my right hand, and it's going to be right there. And now you will have enough space to fit the third piece. You have to put it inside, not straight, but a little bit to the left, and you will be able to, not now, but you will be able to fit it right there into that side. Yeah, probably I made a mistake here, so let's try to figure out what is wrong. I think that the piece that is on the bottom, I have to rotate it with the shorter side up, like this, and now fit it there. Yeah, I think now I'm gonna succeed. And now I can fit this part and move it to the left side. And what we have to do now is just to fit this piece inside, since now it is sticking out, but we're supposed to put all 3 parts inside so that none of them is going to stick out. So to do that, you have just to take the piece that is on the bottom, that small piece, and rotate it. The easiest way to do it is just flip the puzzle upside down, and you will be able to do it. That's it. All 3 parts are inside. There was a little trick that can help you to solve this puzzle. And now we have to remove all 3 parts. So for that, first of all, grab this piece on the right, put it like this again. Now this small piece, you have to rotate it so that it will fit under this piece. If it doesn't fit, it means that we have to put this piece a little bit different with another corner up. Since, as I told you at the very beginning, it is a little bit different. One side is a little bit longer, another is a little bit shorter. Now we were able to fit the small piece down there. Now if you flip upside down the frame, the biggest part is going to fall out. And we have only 2 parts left that we have to remove, and it is pretty easy to do. Just rotate the bottom piece, and now you can remove both of them from the frame. So that was the solution of Euclid for Kids. As you can see, not as easy as it may look from the name of the puzzle. Still, you have to figure out this interesting trick how to fit all parts inside. If you like Euclid for Kids or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latusek or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!